ever thought of making math super interesting? Have you ever thought how you will remember the concepts lifelong? Have you ever considered math as a cakewalk? To all your questions, it is a big yes. My name is Surya Nair and I am in this teaching profession since 2013. I believe it is very easy to learn from a good mentor, but it is difficult to become a good mentor. Because when you become a good mentor, you have to learn at each and every day of your life and you have to explore new things. And I believe teaching is a noble profession wherein we are getting a chance to mold the coming generation to become better. So today we are going to start with a very beautiful chapter, that is probability. Let's proceed.
Now let's understand the name of the chapter itself in parts. Starting with the most easiest word, equation. When I say equation, what comes to your mind? Yes, surely an equal to sign. But there is something more than that. Equation means a mathematical statement. When I say mathematical statement, it includes numbers, variables, mathematical operators. So it is a mathematical statement with at least one variable. There should be minimum one variable. If there is more than one variable, then it is okay. But minimum there should be one variable for compulsorily. And it should have an equal to sign, because equation means you need an equal to sign. So what all things you need to remember for an equation? It should be a mathematical statement with at least one variable, that is minimum one alphabet, and an equal to sign. Now considering the first example, there are variables present over here. But do you have an equal to sign? No. Therefore it is not an equation. Such things are called as expression. Such mathematical statements are called as expression without an equal to sign. If I consider the next one, x plus y is equal to 3. Over here you can observe that you have a variable and you have an equal to sign. That means it is an equation. So you can consider this as an equation because you are having variable present and you are having an equal to sign. For the next one, x plus 5 is equal to 2. Again you have a variable, you have an equal to sign, so it is an equation. So we understood equation very properly. But now we are dealing with linear equation. When I say linear equation, linear means your degree should be 1. When I say degree means the highest power of the variable. Whenever you have an expression or an equation, your highest power should be 1. So if I consider this, 2x square plus 1 is equal to 5. You can see that the highest power over here is 2. So it is not a linear equation because I need the highest power as 1. Over here, if I consider, it has highest power 3. So it is not a linear equation because the highest power is not 1. If I consider the next one, you can say what is the highest power? Yes, it is 1. And if it is 1, it is a linear equation. If I consider the next one, again you can see that the highest power is 1, so it is a linear equation. That means you need highest power 1. But always remember, never say highest degree. It is a wrong term. Highest power of the variable itself is called as degree. So degree means the highest power, and for linear equation it should be 1. Now talking about the next half of the chapter, that is into variable. In equation you require two different variables. It can be x, y or any alphabet. So if I consider my first example, you can see that there is only one variable present. But we require two for the chapter. So it is not allowed. For the next one also, you have only one variable present. So it is not allowed. For the third one, you can see that there are two different variables present, x, y. So this will go for the chapter. So this entire chapter conclude that you should have equal to sign, you should have degree 1, you should have two different variables. So can I say this is a perfect example for linear equation in two variables, that is an equal to sign, two different variables, and the degree should be 1. Now, whenever you learn any equation, you need to learn its standard form, which is also called as general form of the equation. That is how an equation should look like. Now the standard form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which can be also used as ax plus by is equal to c. Now why to by heart it? Let's use this example and make this standard form. I had considered this example 5x plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. You can consider this example. Now over here, we know for any equation we require two variables, that is x and y. So I have considered the same for my standard form. You require mathematical operators, so I have put a plus sign. Now this 5 and 3 are numbers associated with the variable. Number associated with the variables are called as coefficient.